Hi, this is V.Z Pro 3 channel. If you're someone who uses Instagram frequently and wants to avoid typing your username and password every time you open the app, saving your login info is the perfect solution. On your iPhone, this can be done quickly and securely. In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to save your Instagram login info so logging in becomes fast and convenient. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your iPhone. If you're not logged in yet, enter your username and password. Then tap Login. Now here comes the important part. Once you've successfully logged in, Instagram will ask if you want to save your login info. This prompt usually appears right after logging in for the first time, or when adding an account. To save your login info, simply tap Save when that option appears. This will store your account details securely in the app, so the next time you open Instagram, it'll take you straight to your feed without needing to log in again. If you accidentally skipped the prompt or want to enable it later, no problem, you can still set it manually. Here's how. Tap the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, select Accounts Center section, then tap it. Once you're inside the Account Center, look for and tap on Password and Security. And now you will find Saved Login. Then, you have to enable this feature. Now, when you open Instagram again, your account will now appear on the login screen, and you can just tap your profile to log in instantly. No password needed. This feature is really useful if you only use one account or want fast access every time. But remember, if you're using a shared phone or public device, it's better not to save login info for security reasons. Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. Drop a comment if you have any questions or need help with something else on Instagram.